Hello dear student, welcome to Baiju classes. So we have to study gravitational force for class 8 to 10th class. So we have to study by gravitational force. So this type of force, why we have to study? Question, why why study, why why are we study gravitational force? Gravitational force. Old theories about Newton apple theory. Old theory is Newton and apple theory. What is the Newton apple theory? It is remember it. So we have to discuss only result here. Result is the apple cannot be go above side. Apple cannot be go above side. Apple is falling under the tree. Why the apple falling under the tree? Apple cannot go above side. So we have to discuss gravitational force. Gravitational force, because this issue be created in the earth. So we have to discuss gravitational force. So we have to discuss the general formula of gravitational force. What is the general formula of the gravitational force? So we have to write down the general formula of gravitational force. What is the general formula? So the gravitational force directly proportional to masses of body product of the masses of the body. Equation number first, and second equation be created by, this is inverse inverse, this is a inverse square of distance, inverse square of inversely proportional to distance square. Okay, this is a equation number second. So we have to combine both equation. This is a g m1 m2 our r square. Equation number 3, where where g is gravitational gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, this is unit in Newton, because this is a force. Okay, this is a unit in Newton. So we have to study property of the gravitational force. What is the property of the gravitational force? Like first property, so now first property, so property first, this type of force, this type of force this type of force is always attractive force, always attractive force, always attractive force. Second property, this man, I think we have to taken first property, this force is always attractive force, cannot be repulsive force. This force always be attractive force. Okay, so we have to discuss second property. This is infinite range. We have to discuss range. This is infinite range. This force create by infinite range. We have to discuss what is the infinite range. Range is so large, range is so large. Okay, we have to discuss property number third. Property number third, this force be created, this force be this force can be created by due to created due to two body system, cannot be three body system, cannot be four body system. Okay, dear student, so we have to discuss two body system. This is mass m1 and second mass m2, and distance between two masses is r. So we have to discuss force is directly proportional to m1 and product of masses. Okay, product of masses, and inversely proportional to inversely square 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 of distance. So we have to discuss here, this is two body system. This force can be created due to two body system. Okay, so we have to discuss now property number fourth. Property number fourth, this type of force this type of force this type of force this type of force is independent of this type of force is independent of velocity and velocity and velocity and medium. So this type, fourth number property, this is this type of independent of velocity and medium. What is the velocity? Velocity actually velocity is displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. So, and what is the medium? Medium is two types, vacuum second type is dielectric medium. Dielectric medium. Two types medium is two types, dielectric medium and vacuum. Vacuum is velocity of the particle in vacuum. Velocity of the particle in vacuum. First type of medium is vacuum. Second type of medium is dielectric. So velocity of particle in vacuum is c, 3 into 10 जो power 10 की power meter upon second. This is velocity of particle in vacuum. So we have to discuss property number fifth. So property number fifth is exchange particle of the gravitational force is graviton. Okay, graviton can be generated gravitational force. Okay, so we have to discuss all properties once again. So first property, attractive force. This type of force is always attractive to to the earth. Okay, this type of force is always attractive along the earth. this sentence be created. Okay. Second is infinite range. Infinite range. Third is independent of velocity and medium. So fourth property is due to two body system. Two body system. This type of four property along to we discuss about gravitational force. So we have to discuss about gravitational force. So we have to end this video. Thank you.